Is it time to buy or sell Micron stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Micron. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since July 23, 2025, our system has ranked Micron as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.74. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of negative 0.96%. This translates to an average loss of negative 0.09% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower part of a very wide and robust rising trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $106.09 is breached, it will first indicate a slower rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 21.72% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 18.71% to 56.65%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 5.97%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 34.57% to positive 25.45% over the next year. This would place the future price somewhere between $71.17 and $136.47. Our latest daily update from Micron includes the headline, Micron stock price down approximately 0.25% on Wednesday. The Micron stock price decreased by about 0.25% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. It dropped from $109.06 to $108.78. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.07%, reaching a low of $106.75 and a high of $108.96. This period has seen some ups and downs, resulting in a loss of nearly 1% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume declined alongside the stock price, which is considered a good indicator, since volume typically aligns with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, leading to a total of 12 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.32 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $130.45, while the lowest was $61.54. Currently, the price stands at 16.61%, or $21.67 below the 52-week high, and 30.95%, or $48.76, below the all-time high reached on the 18th of June, 2024, when the price peaked at $157.54. Micron Technology, trading under the ticker symbol MU, is currently capturing considerable attention from investors. Its valuation suggests that the potential impact of artificial intelligence is being overlooked, with a forward price-to-earnings ratio of just 13 and a price-to-free cash flow ratio around 7. These figures indicate significant upside potential for the stock, especially as Micron launches new artificial intelligence data center solid-state drive products in a rapidly expanding data center market, serving as strong catalysts for long-term growth. Recently, the stock faced a notable decline, closing down nearly 5% on the last day of July. Although market fluctuations have influenced its performance, analysts continue to maintain an optimistic outlook. The sentiment surrounding Micron remains robust, with repeated strong buy ratings supported by solid fundamentals. Additionally, as technology stocks in general appear historically pricey, with the Standard & Poor's 500 index nearing record highs, some investors are recognizing Micron as a more affordable alternative, potentially increasing its attractiveness in the current market environment. Micron's participation in forthcoming investor events is likely to bolster investor confidence. In the short term, fluctuations in market performance may introduce volatility in MU's stock price. However, the long-term perspective remains encouraging, fueled by advancements in artificial intelligence technologies and a growing demand for data center solutions, suggesting that discerning investors may uncover significant opportunities with Micron in the future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned a buy rating to MU with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, Raymond James rated MU as outperform with a hold action. On the same day, Needham also gave MU a buy rating with a hold action. Additionally, on Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, Susquehanna assigned a positive rating to MU with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, Piper Sandler rated MU as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Micron stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio also as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Micron. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the neo-short-term development. The Micron stock currently reflects sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $109.48 and $117.47. A break above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 24th, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by approximately 14.96%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 31 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal occurred 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal was noted 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 61 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was noted 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Micron. Micron finds support from accumulated volume at $106.29. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. In the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.21 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.07%. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.17%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Micron, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate a diminished expectation for the company's future performance or suggest that the stock is undervalued, potentially presenting a buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of September, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at $2.51. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Micron. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Micron is at $113.26. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Micron encounters its first support level at $106.29. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Micron from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Mark J. Murphy, who bought and sold 34,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.210. Overall, insiders acquired 897,986 shares and divested 1,502,267 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Micron stock a good buy? Currently, Micron stock shows several negative indicators. Despite an upward trend, we anticipate that Micron will exhibit weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we expect Micron to open lower by approximately 618 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $108.16. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.